Pratap Simha's vile cut remarks against Shri Siddaramaiah today has once again exposed the despicable nature and character of the BJP and its leaders. It is increasingly evident that Pratap Simha's outburst is driven by desperation of the BJP central and state leadership, who are out to insult backward classes, scheduled castes, minorities, and the poor of Karnataka. They are out to prove that SCs, BCs, OBCs, minorities, and the poor of Karnataka are second-class citizens. They want to impose their Manuvadi mindset, and that is why they are abusing not Mr. Siddaramaiah alone, but every single poor, backward class, SC and minority of the state. Friends, CM Siddaramaiah and Shri D.K. Shivkumar have faced many such threats in the past, including death threats from BJP leadership, who said they are going to stuff them into a refrigerator. The truth is, this is not one man's madness. This is a habitual character of the BJP in Karnataka as also the country and its leadership. Let us not forget that Mr. Anant Kumar Hegde, as Union Minister, had insulted the wife of our senior minister Shri Dinesh Gundu Rao. Let's not forget that C.T. Ravi stooped to his worst low when he insulted a woman minister on the floor of the Legislative Council. This repeat offender conduct of Pratap Simha and other leadership of the BJP is by a design, by a conspiracy to insult, to denigrate leaders belonging to backward classes, scheduled caste, minorities, and the poor. Friends, ultimate irony is also one, that BJP in Bagalkote and its candidate have invited Mr. Yatnal as a star campaigner. Mr. Yatnal, whom the BJP has expelled for 6 years. Mr. Yatnal, who has described state BJP president Mr. Vijendra as also his father, former chief minister Shri Yadurappa, as a corrupt family. And now they are hurling abuses at backward classes, scheduled caste, minorities, our chief minister, our deputy chief minister. We straightaway demand that Prime Minister Modi, as also the national BJP president Mr. Nitin Nabin, the state BJP president Mr. Vijendra, the LOP Mr. R. Ashok, and the BJP leaders immediately tender an unconditional apology to backward classes, to scheduled caste, and to minorities of Karnataka, as also to our Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah, for the disparaging, denigrating, and insulting remarks of BJP leader Pratap Simha. Otherwise, it will be proved that Pratap Simha is saying all this at the instance of state and central BJP leadership. If they are not in agreement, let them expel Pratap Simha from the BJP. We also believe that the police should register an FIR against Pratap Simha and take him into custody for his denigrating remarks against the entire set of backward classes, including our chief minister. This actually happens when you have no character and no vision for development. BJP is actually peeved with the 5 guarantees of the Congress party that has transferred 1,31,000 crore into the bank accounts of over 5.5 crore Kannadigas, our brothers and sisters. They want to stop the guarantees. That's why they abuse our chief minister. That's why they abuse our deputy chief minister. That's why they abuse SC, BC as also minorities. But they will never succeed in their nefarious design. We challenge them to come forward and face us on the quest of development and progress in Karnataka. Otherwise, people of Bagalkote and people of Davangere South will teach BJP and its leadership a befitting lesson. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.